Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about the healthcare QQI level 5 course. This course, I did a video about levels so that you can understand from level 1 to level 10. So when we say QQI level 5, we're talking about level 5 course that is offered here in Ireland. It's recognized here in Ireland. So this course helps you to work in healthcare settings. I won't say in healthcare because there's a lot of settings, guys. We also did a video about the settings. There are a lot of them. So that means you can work in home care. You can work with kids. You can work with people that need support. So you can work in different areas. What used to happen before in Ireland is that most companies, they used to take anyone with a qualification that is similar to QQI level 5 because they understand that things might be different in other countries. Like Nigeria could be having something similar but not called QQI level 5. South Africa can be having something similar but not called QQI level 5. So that's what they used to do when they were taking people. They used to ask you, what qualifications do you have? Then you explain to them, you tell them, then they compare to see if you might know the job. Then what happened along the years when they were taking people with a similar qualification? People started doing what people do best. They went and bought certificates, they went and bought qualifications in their home countries and relocated to Ireland using those certificates that are not legit. Then they came to Ireland, they were given a job, they were expected to work. Guys, no matter where you are, if you claim to know something while you don't know it, the day you start work, the day you're supposed to work, they will notice that, okay, this person doesn't know what they're doing. And believe me, we can say every country is different. We can say every work environment is different. This is why we always have a training before we start work. Normally, before you start work, they give you 15 days training or 1 month training or 2 weeks training. But then that training doesn't mean that it's an opportunity to learn even if you don't really know anything, because you're still going to be confused and lost by the end of the day. So it's important for you to apply for a job while you already know what healthcare is. What does it take to take care of someone? Do you understand that? So people were buying certificates and applying in Irish jobs. Then when they got here, they didn't know what they were doing. And when Ireland was investigating, or companies in Ireland were investigating to say, why are these people coming from this country? I will make an example with Zimbabwe. They took carers in Zimbabwe. Those carers, they came to Ireland. They were placed in different companies, and I know few companies that took people in. Then people, they didn't know what they were doing. Then later on, some people, they started confessing to say, you know what, we don't know what we're doing because we didn't really go to school for this. We bought certificates online. So do you understand now what it cost a company a lot of work to actually not just work but money to interview you, to hire you, to do visa sponsorship for you, to bring you, pay for your flight ticket, give you an accommodation for the first 1 month or 2 months while you are living in Ireland. At that point, when you went and bought your certificate, you said you know what you are doing, but you don't actually know what you are doing. It cost a company a lot of money. So now this raised um, a problem within the Irish employers, because they're like, people coming from Africa or from Zimbabwe, they don't know what they are doing, they buy certificates. While these people in Zimbabwe, I know, and South Africa, they also have their own problems that they have faced. They like agencies, they promise us jobs, they take our money and they never bring us to the other side. They never. So there is a lot of misunderstanding, or people not understanding the other side and the other side not understanding the other side. So it was introduced, when was it? But it was last year somewhere, that now someone outside Ireland can actually study the QQI level 5 course with the Irish qualified course provider in Ireland to actually teach someone even if they are outside Ireland. So when we found out about that, we went and partnered with the Irish provider, Irish course provider that is recognized in Ireland, because we are not qualified to be coaching or to be training anyone to do the healthcare course. So we partnered with a company that is recognized and qualified to be training people. Then we we aim to cover this gap, because Irish companies, they won't just hire you anymore. Yes, they do. Sometimes they still do, because they are desperate for workers. They can still do hire you, but the interviews are now steeper and things are now even hard compared to before, because of we burn our own bridges. If Irish employers, they don't trust us anymore, I would say us, because I'm part of the group that when a black person does anything, guys, they will say black people do this. When a white person does anything, people say white people do this. So now I would say us, because those group that was investigated and found that they bought certificates, when now they look at me walking on the street, they'll be like, black people, they buy certificates and come here with lies. You understand that? So the whole reason I started this channel is to bridge that gap, because I want people that are in Africa, and especially Zimbabwe, South Africa, Nigeria, like Africa. I know I have other followers in other parts of the world. I love you. Thank you guys for following us. But sometimes you start something because you want to cover a certain gap. You feel like you are called to help a certain group in life. So this is why we partnered with this course provider, so that we can actually bridge that gap. But then the course is expensive. You know why? Because it's up to Irish standard. The course is provided in Irish standard. So it won't be the same as you going to do a caregiver certificate in South Africa, Johannesburg. It won't be the same, because now you are doing your course in the Irish standard system. So the course has 8 modules. That's 7 modules of theory, where you do it online through meetings that are organized online. Then sometimes I do post the dates and the times on our WhatsApp about when the courses are done and what modules will be done for that week, for that month. So I do post those things to keep you informed on if you want to join the course. And the course is expensive. It's 250 euros per module. And remember, I said there are 8 modules. So that means the total of all 8 modules is going to be how much? 2,000 euros. I have found people saying, think about us, we are in Africa, and reduce the amount for us. I'm not the one providing the course. I am the link in between. I take you, I pass you to the course provider, because it's hard for people in Africa to get the right people to do that. Because if you just go to anyone, you can end up as well buying the wrong course with the wrong amount, and you end up getting lost in the middle. But if I take you and put you in the right place, you are guaranteed to be qualified in the right way. And believe me, education is a way of bettering yourself and learning and putting yourself in a better opportunity to get jobs, but it doesn't guarantee any job. I have got questions of people saying, I'll do the course only if you guarantee me that you'll get me a job after doing the course. Once you say that to me, I let you go freely, because I cannot guarantee you anything. You are here to study this course so that you better your chances. It's not me who ruined chances of people employing Africans with the African qualifications. It's the people that came and said they buy certificates for healthcare courses. So now healthcare providers in Africa are no longer trusted, because of the people that told them that they should not trust them. Once you tell the Irish government something, they believe you, because you came all the way. You tell them that you didn't know what you were doing, because you were not never trained. You bought the qualifications. So now they won't change overnight and start saying, oh, now we are employing you guys. And again, if they are now providing you the chance to say, this course was first closed in to say, this is an Irish course, it's only provided to someone who is in Ireland. But after all these things that happen, they have opened it to say they can sponsor, they can give it to people outside. You do your courses, then when you start applying for a job and you get the job, you come here, you finish off your practicals, your work placement here, and you stand a higher chance of getting better employment. This is all about you bettering yourself. You do the course, you get a better chance of, it's like positioning yourself to get opportunities. It's not guaranteed. There's nothing guaranteed. So if you really want to get into Ireland and you have been applying for jobs with your own qualifications, maybe you have your healthcare qualification from your own country, but then companies don't respond to you, or companies have told you that they can't take you. Sometimes it could be the course that you have or the certificate that you have. Consider trying this course and see if it will open opportunities for you. It has opened opportunities for other people. It might also work for you. It might not work for you as well. There is nothing ever guaranteed, but positioning yourself is better than you sitting there and hoping for miracles to come from nowhere. So think about it. And also, I love to say comment on such things so that you tell us on your side what you think. I know that there could be someone already in Ireland that has experienced that thing happening in their workplace, because guys, it's embarrassing. You are from South Africa. They bring two South African guys at work, and when they bring those two South African guys, they're like, "Oh, we got South African guys, and they are from your country." You're like, yeah, they are my people. Oh, nice. After 2 weeks, you hear that they've been stopped. Why? It's because their qualifications were fake. Now you're looking for a place to hide. You can't get it because there's no place to hide. Now, imagine the embarrassment. So, guys, let's better ourselves and do things the right way so that tomorrow we don't blame people for our own mistakes. The course is also recognized in other countries. So, if you do this course and you feel like, okay, I don't want to really go to Ireland anymore, I want to go to Canada, I want to go to Australia, I want to go to another place, it is still recognized. You just show them that you did your course with the Irish provider, and the certificate will be there. Then you can use it to go to other places and get a job. But I would prefer for someone to focus more on Ireland, because for you to get the full one, you still have to do your work placement. So once you have other modules, it might be they might prioritize you to come to, like, employers might get you because they know once you come here, you do your work placement, you have your own full qualification, and it's better. Because same goes to saying there's a misunderstanding with African qualifications. Canada might be also questioning a bit about how you studied and stuff. This is a new course that has been recognized. I know when time goes on, people will get familiar with it. People will start understanding it better, and more people will start doing the course to actually even work in other countries, not just Ireland. So remember, if you want to work on changing yourself, we also offer step-by-step payment, what you call it, sort of like lay-by. I know in South Africa people lay-by clothes. So we do offer those payments where you can pay bit by bit, because I know 2,000 euros is a lot of money for you to just pay it in a month and finish with your course. So some people, they normally ask, how long will I take on the course? It's normally the minimum that one person has done was 4 months. That's the minimum. But some people, they go longer than that, even up to a year, because it goes on. It's your self-paced. I would say it's self-paced, because once you pay for one module or two modules, we put you to those, you enroll for those two modules. Then when you're done, you stay 2 months to recover, then you pay other two modules, then you do it. It's up to you to push it to finish in 4 months or to finish it in a year, or you can even take 2 years. It's self-paced, but at least you know that you'll be working towards something other than sitting and waiting for miracles to come and save you. Thank you, guys, and don't forget to leave comments on what you think about this course. I know some people have commented saying it's fake, it's impossible that you can get such a course internationally. It's not fake, but if you feel like it's fake and you can't pay for it, you have a right not to pay as well. If you feel like you don't want to do it and it doesn't sound for you, yes, follow your heart. You have a right to do that as well, as long as you're doing something that you feel like it. Our aim every day when we wake up is to push towards bettering ourselves. So if you feel like protecting yourself from people or other people that might be trying to scam you, it's a good thing. So don't pay for it if you don't feel like doing it. But there's someone out there that is doing it, and it has changed their lives, and it's working for them. So it's up to you. And it's important to sit down. I always tell people, don't be a follower. Don't be a follower. Do your own research. When I tell you to that there is something like this, I expect you to go do more research, speak to other people, email Irish employers, ask them that if you had this qualification that you are now studying on, will they consider you better or not? So I talked about LinkedIn as well. Uh, Connect with Irish employers or agencies in LinkedIn. When I say agencies, in South Africa, people have this thing that once you say agency, they're thinking you have to get someone that you're gonna pay them 5,000 to relocate to overseas. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about people that place you without you paying money. In Ireland, you don't pay anyone to get employment or to get employed. In Ireland, if a company wants to employ you, they should pay everything. They should pay your flight ticket, they should pay everything. You don't pay anything to get a job. Once you see yourself paying for anything, is a scam. This course that I'm telling you that you can do and pay for, it's a course, it's studying, it's going to school. Yes, you pay to go to university, you pay to go to college, but you don't pay to get a job. So that's it on this video. Please comment and tell us what you think about this course and how do you feel. I take no offense on anything because I know we all have different views. I still respect everyone's views. Thank you so much, guys.